Did you know that those born under the sign of Taurus in the year of the dog are said to be among the most loyal and dependable individuals you could ever meet? This unique combination of Western and Eastern astrology gives us a fascinating glimpse into a personality that blends steadiness with a profound sense of duty. Starting with Taurus, a sign ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, these individuals exude charm and a calming presence. They are known for their steadfast nature, often seen as the anchor in turbulent times. Taurians prioritize stability and comfort, making them excellent friends and partners who you can rely on. However, their love for comfort can sometimes translate into stubbornness and a dislike for change, which can make them seem inflexible. Switching gears to the Chinese zodiac, the dog symbolizes loyalty, honesty, and a deep sense of justice. Much like their animal namesake, those born in the year of the dog are protectors, always ready to stand up for what is right. They are incredibly faithful and true to those they care about, often putting others' needs before their own. On the flip side, their vigilant nature can sometimes lead to unnecessary worry and a pessimistic outlook on life. When you merge these two signs, you get a person who embodies reliability and moral integrity. Both Taurus and the dog share a common ground in their loyalty and dedication. This makes them excellent long-term friends and partners, always there when you need them, rain or shine. However, their similarities also bring out some intensified traits. For instance, the combination of Taurus's stubbornness with the dog's cautious nature can lead to a person who is resistant to change and sometimes overly conservative. They might struggle with taking risks or stepping out of their comfort zones, preferring the well-trodden path to the unknown. But it's not all caution and resistance. This blend also creates a person with a heart of gold. The kindness and protective nature of the dog, mixed with the loving and aesthetic appreciation of Taurus, result in someone who not only wants to create a harmonious environment, but also strives to maintain it. They are the ones who remember birthdays, anniversaries, and all the little details that make life special. In summary, if you know a Taurus born in the year of the dog, you have found yourself a steadfast ally, adorned with a ribbon of gentle charm and a core of unwavering loyalty. They are the epitome of a friend and partner who values security, beauty, and above all, loyalty. Whether it's through a quiet evening at home or standing beside you during your battles, they are your rock, steadfast in their support and love.